Maicho Kaku. The human mind is the ultimate testing ground for all realities. Have you ever wondered if your thoughts could shape your reality? Welcome to the fascinating world of quantum physics and manifestation, where your mind holds the power to transform your life. Quantum physics isn't just for scientists, it's for anyone who wants to unlock their potential. This groundbreaking science reveals how our thoughts and emotions are not just passing whims, they are powerful energies that can dictate the flow of our lives. Today, we'll explore how you can harness this power to overcome fear and manifest with bravery. By understanding the principles of quantum physics, you can learn to align your thoughts with the universe, turning your deepest desires into reality. So, are you ready to change your life? Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the universe's secrets. Imagine a world where anything is possible. That's the quantum field, an invisible, interconnected space where all potential exists. Here, every dream and desire is not just a figment of imagination, but a real possibility waiting to manifest. This boundless field holds the key to transcending the limits of our physical world. In the quantum realm, particles exist in multiple states at once until they're observed. This mind bending phenomenon shows us how deeply our perceptions can shape reality. It suggests that by choosing to see possibilities in a new light, we might just be able to influence the very fabric of reality itself. The act of observation is powerful. In quantum physics, just watching can transform potential states into reality. This emphasizes the power of focused attention, where directing your consciousness can bring possibilities to life. Imagine the implications for manifesting your desires. Entanglement is a phenomenon where particles, once intertwined, remain connected no matter how far apart they are. This highlights a universe where everything is connected, suggesting that our actions can ripple across the cosmos, influencing events and outcomes far beyond our immediate environment. Everything around us, including ourselves, is energy vibrating at different frequencies. When you align your energy with the frequency of what you desire, the universe begins to weave it into your reality. It's like tuning into a radio station. The right frequency gets you clear reception. Quantum jumping is leaping from one possibility to another through mental and emotional alignment. By envisioning and embodying your desired reality, you can jump into a state where your dreams are an actualized part of your world. More than ever, theory suggests that consciousness is a fundamental aspect of the universe, not just a product of the brain. This perspective places consciousness at the core of reality, hinting that our awareness is a key player in shaping the cosmos. Aligning your thoughts and emotions is crucial for influencing the quantum field and manifesting your desires. This alignment acts like a magnetic force, pulling your aspirations from the realm of possibility into tangible reality. Our emotional states emit different vibrational frequencies, and these vibrations attract experiences that resonate with them. Harnessing this knowledge, you can shift your emotional landscape to attract the desired experiences. Understanding and shifting your vibrational energy can be a powerful strategy for overcoming fear. Tuning into frequencies that embody courage and positivity can transform your internal and external world. 1. Harnessing the power of your consciousness is not science fiction, It's a quantum reality waiting to be unlocked. Michio Kaku. Visualization is not just daydreaming, it's a potent tool for shaping reality. By creating a clear and vivid mental picture of your desires, you engage with the quantum field, enhancing the likelihood of your dreams manifesting into your life. Maintaining positive beliefs and affirming your intentions support your quantum manifestation efforts. These practices help solidify your mental and emotional focus, empowering your endeavors to realize your dreams. Quantum physics and the law of attraction are interconnected. Both suggest that like attracts like at a quantum level, where your focused energy can attract similar energies, turning thoughts into reality. Applying quantum manifestation principles in daily life involves clear intention setting, regular visualization, emotional alignment, and conscious action. These steps create a blueprint for you to follow as you work towards manifesting your goals. While skepticism is natural, growing scientific evidence supports the connection between consciousness and quantum physics. Exploring this research can provide a firmer foundation for those looking to understand and utilize these concepts. Integrate these practices into your daily routines to benefit from quantum manifestation. Consistently applying them transforms fleeting experiences into a sustained lifestyle of conscious creation. Manifestation can be more complex. Common pitfalls include lack of clarity, wavering focus, and inconsistency. Recognizing and navigating these challenges is key to effective manifestation. Today, we've explored the profound ways quantum physics intertwines with manifestation, from the interconnected quantum field of possibilities to the power of our own consciousness in shaping our reality. We've learned how particles can exist in multiple states until observed, and how our perceptions and emotions influence the very fabric of our universe. We've also discovered the transformative potential of aligning our thoughts and vibrations with our deepest desires through techniques like quantum jumping and visualization. Now, I encourage you to experiment with these ideas in your own life. See how changing your thoughts can change your world, and embrace the power you hold within you to manifest your dreams. Remember, each small step you take in aligning your energy and intentions is a leap towards a more empowered and fulfilling life. If you found this journey through quantum possibilities inspiring, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insights and explorations. Together, let's continue to unlock the universe's secrets and transform our lives. Thank you for watching, and remember, the power to change your life lies within your own mind.